Shawna and I'm back again with another Stitch Fix unboxing. This time I didn't put any notes for my stylist, and if you remember from my last unboxing, I have a pretty new stylist. The one that I was really loving is on maternity leave, and so my new stylist did pretty good last time, but I didn't give any guidance this time, so let's see how she did. If you've never done Stitch Fix before, I'll put my referral code down below. It gives you $25 off your first box. It gives me $25 off my next box. It's so much fun. Just give it a try. No risk. Okay, this box is really teeny tiny, so I'm interested to see what is in here. Oh my gosh, the bundle is so small. Okay, my return envelope. I have my letter from my stylist and the prices, which we're going to look at that in just a moment. But let me see who my stylist is. It's Alicia, and I believe that's who my last one was. Look at this teeny tiny little bundle. Ooh, there's some interesting colors in there. All right, let's see what we got. It looks like fall clothes already, which I'm kind of glad about. Oh my gosh, look how cute this is. I don't know what this is called. I'm sure there's a name for it, but it's so soft. It's like a thin sweater material, but it's got this kind of boxy look to it. And I just bought a shirt similar to this from the Gap actually, in black, and I really like it, and I'm a sucker for stripes. So this is a good start. All right, this is like a silky, flowy kind of tunic shaped shirt. I don't love this color, and I don't know if I love these little elasticy sleeves, but I'll give it a try because I am often surprised. Ooh, I do like this color. It is like a burnt orange color, and these are little black and white or black and gray, just little dots on them. They're really neat. There's kind of a lot of ruffles going on, but I think it's adorable. Look at these little tulip sleeves, and it's soft as usual. This could be really cute on. Okay. All right, what is this action? Oh, it's a wrap dress. See, they got my number. They've done good so far. I do love a wrap dress, and it's like black and navy kind of dots on it, and little, well, let's call it a faux wrap dress with a little tie, and it's that kind of stretchy material, which always seems to look really good and lay really well on. It's like, it's a really fun pattern. Okay, can't wait to try that on. What do we got here? Oh, well, it's a little late. I was looking all summer for like perfect shorts, and I found some really great shorts, but I don't know if I found perfect shorts. And these are really cute. They're Dear John, and I've heard people rave about these. I've also, if I remember correctly, they're spendy, but they're this dark kind of indigo wash. Gosh, they look like they have a great length and a cool cuff. Super cute. I just think it might be a little late in the season for them at this point, but I'm looking forward to trying them on because maybe they're amazing and I have to get them anyway. It happens. Okay, let's go try these on. I'll be right back. Okay, here's the first top, and it's by Marc and Spruce. It's the V-neck knit top. It's so incredibly soft. I love the stripes. I love the shape. It seems so plain, but this is totally a shirt that I would wear all the time. Even in the fall, throw it on with like a navy or camel blazer. It is so cute. I just left them on with my red pants that I already had from Eddie Bauer. And look how cute it is though. It has the seam down the middle here, which I don't mind that at all, as long as the stripes lined up. So this will depend on the price. I think this is a really fun, casual, but cute top. And it's soft. All right, let's go try on the next thing. Okay, here's the second outfit. And is it me or is this shirt kind of adorable? It's by 41 Hawthorn, and it kind of has a lot going on. It's a V-neck, it has a ruffle here, it has the tulip sleeves, it has some cute gathering in the back, but I kind of feel like it all works. It's so cute. Yeah, and it even has like some gathering up here. I don't know, I kind of like this. It's real thin, great with a cardigan. So cute for fall, great fall colors. And then, so I think it'll depend on the price on this one. I really like it. Okay, these shorts, why do you have to send me the perfect shorts at the end of the season? It's Seattle, it's already raining here. They're so stretchy and great. They fit perfect. They're the perfect length. They have a fun, stretchy waistband, but look kind of not stretchy. They're so cute, and a nice fade in the rear. They're a super dark wash, which I don't have anything like this. Oh my gosh. They would have to be a really good price for me to get these in September. Ugh, why at the end? Okay, well, and again, it'll depend on the price. Let me go try on the next thing. Okay, this shirt is a miss for me. I don't love this teal color. It's not bad on other people, but I don't like it for me. I think these little hole details are really fun and cute, but I don't like the neckline on this or the shape really. It's a little bit shapeless for me. Elastic sleeves bug the heck out of me. I don't know what the back looks like. I'm not sure, the cut feels weird, and it's that kind of maybe like scarf material, polyester, that I feel like I sweat a lot in. I don't know if you guys have the same experience. So it lays weird. It feels like it was laying weird. So this one, I kind of had a feeling about it. This one was a bit of a miss. It's kind of weird how it kind of pulls across here. All right, well, I can't win them all. So let me go try on the dress. I'll be right back. Okay, here's the last thing, and this dress is by Leota, and I think it fits great. It's cute. It has a little ruffle here that I'm not totally sure about, but the cut is perfect. It's flowy. I like the pattern. I think it looks great. I don't know if I need a dress like this, but it's really cute. If it was a good price, then I'd probably consider adding it. Yeah, let me know what you think. Is it something that needs to be added? I think it's really flattering and fun. It could go with a cardigan or something like that for fall. Yeah, let me know what you think. I like it. I just don't know if I need it. All right, now it comes down to prices. I'll be right back. We'll go over them. Okay, you've already seen the prices, but I haven't, and that matters. They matter to me, so then I gotta make some tough decisions. Okay, really quickly, the Dear John shorts. Everyone in my family thought they were adorable, but went, it's a little late in the season for it, and I was like, yes. They're $58. That's gonna be a tough choice because they're super cute. And in my stylist, she's like, I think these are perfect. They're not too long, they're not too short. And she's absolutely right. Okay, the 41 Hawthorne Tulip sleeve blouse in burnt orange, $58. I'm okay with that price. It might be a little steep, but I kind of liked it. It's different than I usually would get, I think, but it's super cute. Okay, the Daniel Rainn teal green blouse. This got mixed opinions in my house. I didn't love it, my daughter did. Sorry, my cat is going nuts over here. Okay, my husband said, take it off instantly, get it, it's not good, it's not right. And it's $68, so done and done, decision made about that one. Okay, the faux wrap dress, everyone really liked it. It looked great, it's cute. I just don't know if I need it. It's perfect though. Oh. My cat takes right now to go nuts on the cat tray. Never goes on it, ever, until I'm doing a video. Okay, so super cute, $88. I'm just not sure I'd wear it enough. If I went into an office, maybe. I just don't know if I'd wear it enough to justify $88. Ugh, that is sad because I really liked it. And then the last thing is the Marc and Spruce top. And everyone really liked it in my house, and my stylist said I can tell that you like stripes, and she's absolutely right. I'm a super sucker for stripes, and it's so cute with the v-neck. It's $44. Again, Marc and Spruce Tarza v-neck top, $44. Yeah, I'm totally getting this one. So the decisions are going to be the burnt orange top and the shorts are really the question marks for me. Do I get all three? Now I have to do Stitch Fix math. So if I get the whole box, which I'm not going to, I get a $79, 25% off. That's the buy 5 discount. And it comes out to be $237. Not terrible. Subtract the $20 styling fee, and the whole box would be $217. That's not a bad box, $217. I'm just not gonna get everything. So I'm just gonna have to do some math and see how it all works out. Definitely this one, and maybe the shorts too. Oh, but I like that burnt orange top. Help me, let me know what I should do. All right, if you like these types of videos, subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.